Hang out. To spend time socially. I love to hang out with my friends. Hurry up. To do something faster. Hurry up. We're going to be late. Call back. To return a phone call. I'll call you back in 5 minutes. Look after. To take care of. She looks after her little brother. Take care of. To be responsible for. I'll take care of the dishes tonight. Write down. To note something. Write down your homework. Throw away. To discard. Don't throw away your chance. Turn down. To reduce volume or reject. Can you turn down the music? Turn up. To increase volume. Turn up the volume a little. Get back. To return. I'll get back to work after lunch. Run out of. To have no more of something. We ran out of milk. Break down. To stop working of machines. My car broke down on the way.